Hello and welcome. I first want to say congratulations on making it onto this call, this information. The person that invited you is super excited about what's going on. I'm actually going to share with you guys two things. I'm going to show you first how you can learn to leverage your money in the markets and start to make your money actually work for you. Then I'm actually going to switch gears. I'm going to show you how to create a second stream of income. In this economy today, I know there's a lot of people out in the world right now that are struggling financially, and this is a great opportunity for you to be around some like-minded individuals and start to create that second stream of income so you don't have to worry about some of those financial strains. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna share my screen and we're gonna jump right into it. Welcome to Akashx. Now, you're probably wondering, what is Akashx? Akashx is basically a first-class educational platform and tech provider. It was established in 2020, and it's one of the best-selling brands inside of the parent company, My Daily Choice. It's operating in over 200 plus countries, and My Daily Choice actually got started in 2014. So about 6 years later is when Akashx came about, when they wanted to expand globally in 2019. But see, My Daily Choice as a company did over $100 million in sales in 2018. Now, November 7th of last year in 2023, Akashx 2.0 relaunched. And that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. Before I jump into the company itself, I want to talk about this first, because I was actually given a book at a very young age. And the book was called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I'm not sure if you ever heard of that, but the author of it his name is Robert Kiyosaki. This guy's actually known to be the mentor to the millionaires, not the mentor of the broke people. And in the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he really breaks down 4 ways that people make money in this world. Most of us grow up and we're taught, hey, go to school, get good grades, get a good job. After you get a good job, do that for 40 years of your life, and then try to retire off 40% of your income. And he said that 95% of the world either know how to get a job or create a job. And he said that if you are one of those two people, you're only leveraging yourself. And when you're only leveraging yourself, you're capping how much you can actually make. See, only 5% of the world's wealth is on the left side, where 95% of the people are, because they're exchanging their time for money. Does that sound familiar? Well, that's all I knew. But once I read the book, I realized that there's actually a 5% of the world that understands leveraging their money or leveraging other people. And that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. I'm going to show you the opportunity of Akashx and how today you can start to learn to leverage your own money that you have right now. I'm going to show you also how you can have access to other people's money and start to leverage that to make some money as well. And then I'm going to switch gears. We're going to talk about how you can leverage other people, leverage the system, and create a second stream of income. Now, what's the difference between Akashx and everyone else? Well, hundreds of companies have flooded the trading space. It got very, very popular during COVID. Right now, a new company is being born every single day. Now, what makes us different is we've decided to take the simple approach. See, we want to take what's very complicated and complex and bring it to you in a super simplified and easy way. And we're going to show you that right now, because we know that if once you learn this skill set, it is completely recession proof. Doesn't matter what happens in the economy. Doesn't matter if the economy is going up or the economy is going down. You can still make money. So we're going to start you off through our academy, guys. We had over 200 plus videos translated into 17 different languages. We'll walk you through, some of the basic, simple stuff like what Forex is, what an index is. Then we'll kind of show you some other stuff like what fundamental and technical analysis is. What support and resistance means. Show you the different time frames on the charts that you can look at. What is a trend? And then we'll start to teach you some strategies. But we've taken this a step further because, yes, you can find this on YouTube, Google. You can find this all over the place, right? You can learn to trade on YouTube University, but we've decided to take this a step further. And what we like to do is we actually like to take our educators that have went out there and have had success in the markets, and they're going to teach you their strategies. So we have something called the Educator Training Series, which is a part of the Educator Academy, guys, where you can actually go through a boot camp, A through Z, on exactly how these educators trade. Because we understand the concept of if you want to be successful at something, you just got to find someone that's successful at that specific thing. And if you can basically do exactly what they do or learn from them, you can have a lot of the same results. Like imagine you could learn from LeBron James on how to play basketball. I'm pretty sure you'd pick up on some things. What if you could go on the golf course with Tiger Woods and he could tell you what club to use and how to swing it and how to be a better golfer? I promise you'd probably be pretty good at it, right? What if Bill Gates gave you some business advice? That's worth millions. Well, guys, that's what we do here. Our educators will teach you their specific strategies, and they'll walk you through step by step on exactly what they do in the market and how you can copy. Now, once you've done that, you can also hop on their live sessions all throughout the day. An educator will go live. You can hop on their live session. They'll analyze the market for you. They'll look for potential trade setups where you can actually take those setups and then earn while you're actually still learning. This is like getting paid to watch Netflix. So you can hop on any live sessions that we have. And then once you've learned, some stuff on your own, we also have scanners that you can utilize to take trades on your own. Because we know there's a lot of people on this call right now, and this might be you, that you actually want to be independent. You want to wake up, you want to trade for a little bit, and then you want to get on with your day. Well, we also have scanners, guys, for you that you can utilize on your own and trade whenever you want. We also have trade alerts. Maybe you want to get the trades from the educators, but you also want to see their analysis. Well, the trade alerts is where an educator, once they find a trade setup, they'll actually send you a notification on our app, and they will give you their analysis on the trade and give you all the information that you need in order to take that trade. Really, all you have to do is just copy and paste, but I know some of you guys actually want to see the analysis. So what you can do is you can click and actually see exactly why they're taking that trade. Now, if you're on this call and you're the type of person who's like, hey, I can't hop on live sessions. I don't want to use any scanners. And honestly, even if I got the trade alerts, I wouldn't even know what I was looking at. I got 2 kids, I got 2 jobs, I have absolutely no time to be doing this, but I'm interested in learning how to make money and make my money work for me. Well, guys, introducing now Tap to Trade. This is the most simplified, easiest way to enter the market. All you have to do, guys, is connect your broker to Akashx. Just like setting up a bank account, guys, you go ahead, you set up a broker, you put some money in it. That's the money that you're going to trade with. Now, you can't lose more than that money, right? You just put in whatever you want to trade with. You connect that to Akashx. Once a trader finds a potential trade setup, you're going to get an alert on your phone. All you have to do is click the alert, tap approve. Once you tap approve, the trade will automatically be taken on your account. As educators, we can manage those trades. We can move our risk. We can move the different trades. And we can close these trades out whenever you want. You can also close your trades on your own. You can close with profits, but we will manage those trades for you. Here's some of the testimonies that we've had recently. Jenna made over $2,400 just using Tap to Trade. We have a couple other people that you can see here. Kim made over $370 using Tap to Trade. Guys, really all you got to do is just connect your broker to Tap to Trade, hit approve, and then the results will be the results. Now, obviously, past results don't dictate future results, right? There will be losses in the market, but with Tap to Trade, we've made it very, very simple for you guys to start. Now, if you're on this call and you're thinking to yourself, you know what, sounds good, but I don't even have money to put into a broker. Well, we've decided to collaborate with a company called TradeX Mastery. Now, what's cool about this is we'll actually get you access to $25,000 up to $200,000 in potential funding that once you pass the challenge, you can trade with that money, guys, and you actually get to keep up to 90% of that money. So let's just say, hey, you got started. You decided to get Akashx. You also got a prop firm worth $25,000. You passed that challenge using Tap to Trade, and now you have access to $25,000. Well, what's nice, guys, is whatever you make with that $25,000, you get to keep 90% of the profit. Now, there's just a couple different rules, right? You got some consistency rules. You got to hit your profit targets for challenge 1 and 2, and you can't have a max drawdown more than 10%. Pretty simple. And what I love about this, guys, is you can also use your prop firm, guys, connected to Tap to Trade. Now, you get access to everything for $149. Now, I know that some of you have spent that out on the weekend. I know for me personally, when I first saw this information, I was like, wow, I'm all in, because you know what? I'm willing to just give myself a shot. For $149, you get access to the Academy, you get access to the scanners, you get access to Tap to Trade, you get access to every single thing that we just talked about, guys. So you can get Akashx, go ahead, get a prop firm as well, connect that to Tap to Trade, guys, and start trading with us. That's the product side of things. I'm going to switch gears now, and I'm going to talk about how you can actually share this information and you can create a second stream of income. See, the person that invited you on this call, yes, they want to trade, they want to make money, but they also are now sharing this with the world. And that's why you're on this call, because guess what? You can now leverage the power of the internet. You can leverage the power of ads, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everything that is accessible to you to now go share this with the world. And as you share it, you actually get commission for anybody that gets started when you send them your affiliate link. The way it works is pretty simple here. Let's just say you share this with one person and they decide to buy a subscription. You make $40. Now you make $40 for every single person that you share this with. Now, if they just want to remain a customer, you'll actually make that $40 every single month. Now you're connected to that person, so if they share it with somebody and they make a commission, guess what? They're in your second generation, so you also make a commission. You make $8. Now that person, they share it with somebody, you make $6.50. Now through our compensation plan, guys, this has the potential to go to infinite levels deep. So you have the potential to have a web that reaches all over the world through word of mouth. Now we also have some ranks here with us. Once you go out there and you collect 10 different customers that want to, use Akashx, and it's not just 10 that you personally refer, it's a total of 10. So you might just share this with a couple, but that grows to 10, you're a 1K affiliate. Let's say the 10 grows to 50, you're a 5K affiliate. Now I know that me with 50 people is gonna go a lot faster than just me and you. Let's say the 50 grows to 100 guys. That's 10K affiliate. Now I want to stop there and I want to concentrate on 10K affiliate, because this is what my goal was when I first got started. I was a 22-year-old kid. I was going to school full-time. I was working full-time, and I just wanted something different. I didn't want to follow what everybody else was doing, because I knew that if I did what everybody else was doing, I was going to get a lot of those same exact results, which was basically going to get a job, hating waking up in the morning, not having enough money at the end of the paycheck. All my money would be gone towards bills. And I said, you know what? If I could just get 10K affiliate done, I'd start to be able to make decisions in life whether I wanted to do something or not. Because most people in life make decisions based off of either time or money. Do I have enough money or do I have enough time? Well, let's start to get your time back, because at 10K affiliate, guys, the average 10K is making $2,785. Now for me, that was enough to pay my rent, my car payment, my gas, my food, and basically my lifestyle at 22 years old. Now I know some of you that might not cover it, but I bet that could help. So my goal is to create a lot of 10K affiliates, because I know that will help a lot more people get closer to getting their time back. Now, one rank above that, let's say your 100 customer grows to 250, now you're making almost $6,000 a month. See, you can look on the right-hand side, see exactly what you want to make. You let me know, you let the person that invited you on this call know. We'll lock arms with you and we'll go help that happen. See, I saw at the very bottom, that super affiliate, the average makes $200,000 a month. And I said, you know what? If there's even a legit shot that that's possible, I'm willing to give myself a chance. See, I got started in this industry about 11, almost 12 years ago now. I've brought a couple hundred people out of my network that I've met at the gym, from school, from work, different people that I've known throughout my life, and I've brought them into this opportunity. Now, that couple hundred, though, has grown to hundreds of thousands of people all over the world. I have not worked a job in over 10 years. Now, I don't say that to impress you guys. I only say it to say this. If it's possible for me, a kid that's from a town where there's more cows than people, I didn't have a big network. If it can work for me, it can work for you. All it takes is one decision, and just to lock in here with us, you'll learn how to trade, you'll see some results, you can share those results, and then we can help you grow a customer base. Now, there are some other bonuses that come with, right? And they break down to different ways. We're not going to get super in detail, but we have a mastery bonus that pays anywhere from $250 to $20,000. We have a global pool where 2% of the entire company revenue goes into this pool, and then you get a piece of it based on how many shares you have. Now, my favorite bonus is check match, because Zig Ziglar said, if you help enough people in life get what they want, you in return get what you want. See, with our company, guys, you help someone make money in the business, right? You go help them grow a customer base, and let's just say they make $100. You're gonna make 30 because you brought them in. Not 30 of the 100 that they make, but you get a check match of $30 because they made 100. Let's say they make 1,000, you just made 300. Let's say you go help them make 10,000, you just make 3,000. That's just the first level, guys. Let's say they go help someone make money. you're going to make 2,000 if they make 10, right? And so on and so forth. Third generation guys, 10%. Fourth generation, 10% again. And this again has the potential to go infinite levels deep, and you have a potential to have web go all over the world. Now, again, everything is included for $150. One time, and then every month, if you want to maintain your subscription, guys, another $150. But as a thank you, if you want to go and waive your monthly fee, you just have to refer this to 3 people. And it's, again, not 3 a month, not 3 a year, it's just 3 total. And once you have 3 active customers on Akashx, your 150, guys, is completely waived. That means you have access to the entire academy, all the scanners, tap to trade, and you can go grow your business still, guys, for completely free. Let me repeat this, guys. You refer this to 3 people one time, and as long as they're active, your monthly fee is waived. And that, guys, is the information behind Akashx, what we're doing here. If you want to get started, get back to the person that invited you on this call. They'll help you get started. I'm super excited for all of the success stories that are going to happen here inside of Akashx, not only just trading, but also building the business. Again, my name is Matthew Thayer, guys. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Have a great day. See ya.